Today I'm going to cook Iberico pork chops for you. Iberico is also known as pata negra. They're pigs that are fed on a diet of acorns and the meat is absolutely delicious. Some even refer to it as the Wagyu meat of pork. This is the third and final video of my series on Iberico pork. Make sure to check out the other videos that I did on Secreto Iberico and Iberico ribs. And here are the Iberico pork chops. These are 2-bone double pork chops, really nice and thick. When eating something as special as this, I want to taste the meat, so I'm going to go easy on the seasoning and just season with salt and pepper. As a side, we're going to make a plate with roasted sweet potatoes, apples, onions and roast meat today. The full recipe is in the description as always. Today we're going to cook on the Texas-made M-Grills M16 with FOGO premium lamb charcoal. To start off, I'm going to set the grill to cook low and slow at 225 degrees. We're going to reverse sear the pork chops first, and we're going to do it on top of the vegetables to cook them slowly to a medium rare internal temperature of 125 degrees. I want the fat to render and fall down and soak into all those vegetables and give it amazing flavor. Once the pork chops are at 125 degrees, I take them off and bring the grill up to searing temperatures by opening up all the air vents and letting air in. Then I sear the pork chops for about a minute on each side until they have that amazing crust and a little bit of char. Alright guys, our Iberico double pork chops are ready and man, it smells fantastic, it looks fantastic. I'm super excited about this. Let's cut this one open. I already cut it off the bone. Comes clean off the bone. And let's see. This is a type of pork you can cook to, medium, 144 degrees. A little bit pink, juicy, and it's safe to eat and it's absolutely delicious. And the Iberico pork, the pata negra, is an incredible meat. It's the Wagyu of pork, the Wagyu equivalent of pork. Absolutely delicious, absolutely flavorful, to die for. Look at this, guys. Wow, look how it's dripping with juices. Absolutely incredible. Wow. This is incredible. If you guys have not tried this, you need to, because this is the real deal. Wow. All right, guys, my family is dying to eat this, so I'm not going to bore you any longer. It's raining, I'm super wet, so I'm going to cut this video really early, but I hope you like it. I hope you try this out for yourself. I mean, just look at this. Look at the juiciness of this. The flavor is off the charts. It's creamy, it's buttery. It's just absolutely incredible. So please try it out for yourself. And don't forget, share this with your friends. It's raining on me. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And check again next week. You'll see if it's going to be raining or not.